Hello, this is Chris from pipmavens.com, and here is the percent risk lot indicator. It shows you the lot size to use to trade based on how much of your account you wish to risk for the trade in terms of a percentage. Okay, so let's take a look at how this indicator works. Let's take a look at the settings. So first you need to select what you want to base your percentage on. Okay, so if you can either choose to base it upon your account balance or your account free margin. So you cannot have both at the same time, you must choose either one. So whichever one you choose to use, you will set the value to true and the other one will be set to false. Okay. Next, you need to set your stop loss in terms of pips. And lastly, you need to set the percent risk you wish to take for the trade. So in this example here, I'm risking 1% of my account balance over a stop loss of 40 pips. And with this, the indicator has calculated for me to use 0.18 lots for this trade. If you change any of these four variables, the number here will change. All right, so let's say I wish to use a stop loss, a smaller stop loss of 20 pips, but risk the same amount in terms of my account balance on the trade. Let's see what the number becomes. It's double of the previous number, so now I should be using a lot size of 0.37. Okay, so let's change one more variable and see what happens. So let's say I wish to risk 2% this time, 2% of my account balance over a stop loss of 20 pips. And so the indicator will automatically calculate the correct lot size for me to use here. Okay, so that's for the calculation of the lot size. The last three variables here have to do with how the indicator looks on the chart. First of all, you can choose whichever color you wish to set the indicator. Okay, it doesn't really matter. It all boils down to personal preference, so you can select any color you wish. And you can also select the text position. You may use this indicator to be displayed on any of the four corners of the chart. If you wish to set it to the top left corner, you will set this to 0. If you wish to set this at the right top corner, you will set it to 1. If you wish to set it to the bottom left corner, change this number to 2. And if you wish to set it to the bottom right corner, you will change it to 3. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. All right, so we have just changed the color and the position of the indicator. And lastly, we are able to change the size of this number here, this text. If you want it to be smaller, just change this variable to false and it will automatically be changed to a smaller number. Okay, so one last thing I want to bring to your attention. So let's first bring this chart or this indicator back to the usual setting. Okay, so I have applied this indicator with the same settings on all of these currency pairs. And note that my account is denominated in US dollars. Okay, so this is why I have the same lot size for the US dollar denominated pairs and different lot sizes for the non-US dollar denominated pairs. Okay, so this indicator will automatically calculate the correct lot size for you to use regardless of your account currency. So your account could be in euros, it could be in pounds, and you could be trading in any currency pair. It doesn't really matter. The indicator will automatically calculate the correct lot size for you to be using. Okay, so that's it for this indicator. I hope you find it as useful as I have.